How to make homemade rabbit traps. Whether you are looking for a new pet, dinner, or need to do some rodent pest control, it is important to have a good rabbit trap. It's very simple to make homemade rabbit traps which are humane and fun. The following article will detail how to make primitive yet effective homemade rabbit traps. Things you will need: large wooden box, piece of plywood, stick, string, screw hook, carrot. Screw in the screw hook on the inside of the box in the center. This will serve as a pulley mechanism for the suspended carrot later in the process of doing rodent pest control. Place the piece of plywood on a flat surface near a place where you have seen the bunnies. This way, they will not have to hunt out the bait. They will wait until your back is turned and take it. Prop the box up with the sticks so that there is enough room for the bunny rabbit to get underneath it. Tie the string to the carrot. The carrot is the bait. You may choose to tie it in several spots so the rabbit does not just eat it without pulling the stick out. Run the string through the hook and out to the stick. Many people are not confident in this form of rodent pest control, but it can actually be a lot of fun. Pull the string until the carrot is suspended several inches off the ground. This ensures that the bunny rabbit will have to give it a good tug in order to eat it. Once it is suspended, tie it carefully to the stick. Sneak off and wait a bit. When you hear a thud, you might have got your mark. Pick up the plywood and the box together. If you put it on a table, you can easily work the bunny rabbit out and into a pillowcase without touching it or hurting it. Then you can let him go somewhere very far away. This is the best part of the humane rodent pest control process.